Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to configure VRF on Cisco IOS-XR. So without wasting much time, I'll click on my IOS-XR and I'll go to edit config. Now, let me first verify that you don't have any VRF configured. So when I go to config and I'll just do show I'll just type VRF. Nothing shows. So now we go back to, and let me also verify from the device itself. So this is the device, and as you can see, show VRF forwarding. Sorry, show VRF all. As you can see, we don't have any VRF configured. So we go to edit config, then we search for VRF, and then we need to add our VRF. So we'll click on the add. I'll type internet. I'll click on confirm. Now I go into my VRF and I specify the address family, which is Ip4 unicast, and I'll go into unicast, and I'll go into import target, and I'll click on address. So my import our target is just 400 for my MPLS lab. Same applies to the export. So the export target is 400, same as the import target. So I'll go up again, and now as simple as that, I have my VRF configured, and as you can see it over here. So first of all, I define the VRF, specify the address family, the import and export route targets. So in iOS XR, the configuration for the route distinguisher is quite different. So as you can see here, there is no RD defined. So what I'll do is that I'll go back to the edit configuration and I'll go back to config, and I'll need to define the route distinguisher under the BGP VRF configuration. So I'll go to router and I'll search for BGP, and I'll click on my BGP and I'll search for VRF. So I'll click on add and I'll add the internet. So I'll go into the VRF, specify or define the route distinguisher. And then I'll also, once I'm here, I will need to activate my address family, which is IPv4, under this address family, unicast. And that should be fine. So we go to our commit manager, then we check the native config. So what we have here is that we define the VRF, followed by the address family, and the import and export route target. And now we went under the BGP command to define our VRF over there and also enable the address family. So with all luck, we should be able to commit this. So as you can see, we can see the differences. So the diff from the configuration that we have in the configuration database and the configuration that we intend to push to the device. So I can click on commit. I said yes, commit, and with all luck, everything should go through. So I'll pull up my XR over here to see that it has been configured. And as you can see, it has been configured with no errors. So let me do show VRF all again. And as you can see, I have my internet VRF. So if it goes through, I should be able to receive a default route in my internet VRF. And as you can see, I'm receiving a default route in my internet VRF. Same thing applies here. When I do show IP route VRF internet, I'm receiving a default route. So thank you for watching this video. In this short video, we were able to configure a VRF in the using Cisco NSO for our iOS XR which is our PE router. Thank you for watching this video once again, and see you in my next video.